Good morning, children. Now today we are learning about the domestic circuit, the main meter board, what is there in our houses, and how do they are connected to different parts in our different switchboards in our houses. Okay, what is the function of each of them and what are the different parts. Schematic diagram of common domestic circuit. The meter board mainly consists of two wires which are running from power station to our house. They are live wire and neutral wire. Live wire is always red in color and neutral is black in color. I cannot show black color on this black board, so I have used white color here. So live wire contains up to 220 volts of current. That is the main wire which is carrying the current to your houses. Neutral wire is mainly for completing the circuit. So one wire is bringing inside, other has to complete the circuit. There has to be a closed circuit. So that is why neutral wire is used. It also carries current. Yes, and it is earthened in the power station. Sometimes we use the word neutral fail. Usually in the morning or in the evening sometimes there will be low voltage. So the low voltage is mainly for because of failure of the neutral wire. Okay. So this neutral wire is also important along with the live wire here. In the meter board we see all these parts. We see the electricity board fuse, a big fuse, then electricity meter. Sometimes in some of the houses meter first, then the fuse. In some of the houses fuse will be first and electricity meter will be later. Then there is one more box next to it, that is called as a distribution box containing main switch fuses for each circuit. So in your home, how many rooms are there? Those many fuses will be placed in this box here, distribution box here. So each fuse is concerned to one room in your home. This fuse is mainly for the safety purpose. Okay, and this each fuse is connected to each and every switchboard in your house. So in one room there may be 2 or 3 switchboards. Okay, so from one it is connected to all. Okay, and there is one more wire what we see here called as earth wire or earthing. The main purpose of this earthing wire is to safeguard your whole house from lightning or from discharge of extra charges. Okay, this earthing wire always runs from top of the house to the ground. Okay, in your house if you observe next to the house, maybe back side or in the front side, there is a metal plate which is buried inside the ground and we can see only a small wire which is coming out. So that wire is actually called as earthing wire. Whenever there is lightning, this wire catches up all the current, extra charges, and they are discharged to the ground so that the house is not harmed. Even if suppose the live wire brings inside an extra charge of maybe more than 250 volts. Okay, so those extra charges are also discharged by this earthing wire. Most of all our appliances are metal bodies like washing machine, fridge. Yes, so these metal bodies, they may give shock. Okay, so to avoid this also, this earthing wire is helpful. This earth wire, it is connected to each and every switchboard in your house, switchboard. Okay, washing machine switchboard, and then all the switchboards what we are using, light, fan switchboards, whichever are there, everywhere this earthing wire is connected. From each and every switchboard the earthing points are taken and that is attached to the main earthing point and that is discharged to the ground. Then from the main switchboard to each and every switchboard in your house, the wires are connected here. Okay, so live wire, earth wire and neutral wire are the three main wires which are entering in your house. Earthing wire is there in your house only and that is directly attached to the ground so that extra charges are discharged to the ground.